करुणासागरं शान्तं अरुणाचलवासिनं श्रीशेषाद्रिगुरुं वन्दे ब्रह्मीभूतं तपोनिधि. With pranams to Sadguru Sri Seshadri Swamigal and the Universal Mother Lalita Parameshwari, and complete surrender to 18 Siddhas. First of all, I convey my blessings to all. Coming 1st February 2013, we are going to conduct the birthday celebrations of our Sadguru Sri Seshadri Swamigal in the Shaktipeetha Vrindavanam at Madambakam. As usual, it will be a grand function by the grace of Sadguru, like the Mukti Day celebrations, that is Aradhana, went on very well in 4th, 5th and 6th January with the cooperation of devotees and disciples. Dear disciples and devotees, on 1st February morning, we are going to conduct the Runa Hara Ganapati Havan plus Gomata Puja and Nagula Saraswati Havan in the morning, and evening we are going to conduct the elaborate 18 Siddhar Havan in the evening. In Aradhana, one complete day was allocated for Siddhar Havan and a lot of people participated, irrespective of caste, creed, religion. As Vallalar said, as our Sadguru taught, we have to follow the Sama Rasa Sanmargam. That means all are equal, all religion are equal, all caste are equal. There is no discrimination. The Siddhas are seeing the soul. So that fundamental principle, according to Siddha philosophy, we are following, and the Havans are being conducted according to that method. The Runahara Ganapati is a very special Havan. It's a Ganapati Havan only, but it's a very special Havan. What is special? Everybody is having financial problem. Everybody is having some liability, house loan, jewel loan, hand loan and vehicle loan, and EMI every month they have to remit. And at times somebody borrows money from one place and settle the dues from another place. Like that they are handling, and credit card problem, unable to meet the expenses. And thereby the liability is being created, and they cannot get back the jewels. They have to sell the jewels, sell the house at times, and even sell the vehicle. Some people, they don't have money to purchase even clothes for festivals like Pongal, Deepavali and other good occasions. This is due to the improper planning of the finance and family, and they are not writing accounts. Just like that, money is coming and they are spending. So fundamental principle of handling the money, everybody should know. Even if you handle properly, sudden expenses may come in the family. Unexpected expenses, unforeseen circumstances will force us to take loan, and thereby the imbalance in finance will be created, and unable to manage the finance, and it may lead into the financial crisis. So how to overcome that? For that, it's a remedy. We have to see the remedy. Before going into the remedy, we have to do the self-analysis and write the accounts where we are doing the mistake. If you feel you are right, then if your problem is not solved, that is why the Havans are being conducted in our Shaktipeetham by the grace of Sadguru Sri Seshadri Swamigal. And Shaktipeetha Ganapati, Shaktipeetha Ganapati will take the form of Runahara Ganapati in the Havan to clear the liabilities, all the liabilities people are having, and it is the benefit for the benefit of you your family and your relatives, your brothers and sisters, whomever they have the financial problem. Runam means liability, hara means to eradicate. So to eradicate the liability and live a peaceful life, everybody should participate in the Havan and seek the blessings of Runagara Ganapati. Definitely you will be benefited, your liabilities will be settled, and you will have surplus funds. And Gomatha, Sarva Devata Surubini, and she is the form of Mahalakshmi. That puja also we are conducting. And Durga Lakshmi Saraswati Surupini is the universal mother, Lalita Parameshwari. She is going to take the form of Vagdevi, Nakula Saraswati, Raja Shamala. Communication is very important for everybody. And sweet words to impress people, education, intelligence, intellectual capacities are being given by Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of education and intelligence and knowledge. So the Nakula Saraswati Havan is on the Goddess Saraswati. Those who are having admission problems in LKG, 10th standard, plus 2, and children, they are not studying properly in 10th standard, and 10th standard they may score very good marks, but in the plus 2 they may face failure or lower marks, and getting admission in the college will be a problem. And which course they have to take, all those things will be a great confusion in the minds of parents as well as the child. In the adolescence age, proper guidance is required for the student, as well as counseling is required for the parents. The parents should get the good idea, and they should have sufficient money to remit the fees. From LKG also nowadays it is going like 30 to 40,000 rupees. So for that Runagara Ganapati will help for money, and Gomata will help for money, and this Nakula Saraswati will remove the obstacles in getting the admission and score very good marks for your children. And like advocates and higher officials, bureaucrats, and they are educated people, no doubt, like a very top people in police department or revenue department or tax department or income tax department. They are all very knowledgeable people, but due to circumstances, due to the pressure, political pressure or some pressure will be there, they were unable to perform their duties and their hands are tied. They may be depressed. What is the use of this education? We are unable to use that properly in the administration. Those type of obstacles and promotions, everything will be removed, all the obstacles will be removed, and you will get the blessings of Nakula Saraswati, the great mother of knowledge. So everybody should, from students to parents, from advocates to officers, for all sectors, this Havan will give you a very great boon in your life for all prosperity by the grace of Universal Mother and 18 Siddhas and Sadguru Sri Seshatri Swami. So I welcome you all, to everybody, to participate in the Havan and seek the blessings of all the deities. Wish you all the best with special blessings, Guruji Sharma.